Hello and welcome to another episode of Steps to Success. I'm your host, Daniel. Today, we'll explore a small but powerful habit that can change the way you live your day: planning. It may sound simple, but it can help you stay focused, use your time better, and feel more in control of your life. Many people wake up and go through the day without any plan. They check their phones, maybe scroll through social media, and then do whatever comes next. This might feel easy at first, but without a plan, it's easy to lose track of time or forget important tasks. You might reach the end of the day and realize that you didn't do what really mattered. Planning your day is like giving yourself a map. You don't have to plan every hour, but choosing your top 3 to 5 tasks helps you focus on what's most important. These tasks could include working on a school project, going to the gym, finishing a report, or even calling a friend. Writing them down helps your brain remember and gives you a clear direction. I like to start my mornings by opening my notebook and writing a short list. For example, 1. Prepare podcast notes. 2. Go for a 30-minute walk. 3. Read 10 pages of a book. When I finish each task, I check it off. That small action feels really good and motivates me to continue. One powerful trick I use is the 25-5 method. You work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. After 4 cycles, take a longer break of about 20 to 30 minutes. This keeps your mind fresh and helps avoid burnout. Many people find they can get more done using this method because it's easier to focus in short time blocks. Planning is not only for your work. You can plan your meals, your free time, your learning goals, or even your time with family. If you want to watch a movie, plan when to do it. If you want to practice English, plan a 15-minute session after dinner. This way, your day feels more balanced. Here's another tip. Try planning the night before. Before you sleep, take just 5 minutes to write down your goals or tasks for the next day. This helps your brain prepare while you rest. You'll wake up knowing exactly what to do first, instead of wasting time thinking or feeling lost. Also, remember that your plan doesn't have to be perfect. Life happens. Sometimes your internet stops working. Sometimes a friend calls you with a problem. Be flexible. If something changes, just adjust your plan. Move a task to tomorrow. It's okay. The goal is to stay focused, not to be perfect. One thing that really helped me was using a simple app on my phone. I write my tasks in it and set reminders. You can also use a small notebook or sticky notes. Use whatever works best for you. What matters most is that you build the habit of planning. The more you do it, the easier it becomes. Planning also helps with stress. When you know what to expect during the day, your mind feels calm. You don't worry as much because you already know what needs to be done. Instead of feeling busy and tired, you feel organized and confident. That feeling can change your whole day. And now, let's take a look at some important words from today's episode. These are simple but useful words that can help you in daily life and in learning English. The first word is task. A task is a small job or piece of work that you need to do. Example: I finished my writing task before breakfast. The next word is plan. A plan is a list or idea of what you want to do. Example: my plan for today includes reading and going for a walk. The third word is productive. If you are productive, it means you get things done and use your time well. Example: I felt very productive after cleaning my room and finishing my homework. The next word is flexible. Being flexible means you can change or adjust easily when something unexpected happens. Example: my schedule is flexible, so I can meet you at 3 or 4 p.m. The fifth word is stress. Stress is the feeling of worry or pressure when you have too much to do. Example: I had a lot of stress during the exam week, but planning helped me feel better. And the final word is break. A break is a short rest time between activities. Example: after 25 minutes of study, I took a 5-minute break. I hope you enjoyed this episode and learned something useful. Try planning your day tomorrow, just 3 tasks, and see how it changes your focus and energy. Thanks for listening to Steps to Success. Until next time.